hands-free donor.
Here we are with our brand new Denza Z. We are unveiling this car here at Goodwood Festival of Speed, and it's a full electric supercar that comes in 3 different versions: a hardtop coupe, a soft-top spider, as well as a racing version optimized for the truck. All 3 models feature our E-Cube platform with 3 electric motors, 1 at the front, 2 independent motors at the rear, that deliver an outstanding power, more than 1600 horsepower, 1605, and accelerate 0 to 62 miles per hour under 2 seconds, 1.96 seconds, so very, very fast. So when it comes to driving dynamics, key figures, an amazing 1.95 lateral G-force. That's a lot. Braking distance is also 62 miles per hour to 0 in only 32 meters. And then the braking system, we've got standard carbon ceramic brakes and can handle a heating up to 1100 degrees Celsius. So that's very, very good. So if we talk about the specs, the only hard choice that customers will have to make is the color and trim, because all the content is standard, but we have plenty of choice to personalize your Denza Z. So we've got 10 exterior colors. Each of them come with 2 different color breakup in the interior. You can have black with an accent color, or a more vibrant combination between black, or in this case blue, which is very extroverted and very, very cool. Of course, different choice of carbon fiber accent, different choice of brake caliper color, as well as 3 different rim designs. So one of the new technologies that we're introducing with this car is our intelligent body control system that is optimized for sports car, for the truck, and it's called Denza. This is a electromagnetic suspension system that basically suppresses all the roll, all the pitch, and have millisecond response to adjust the damping control to optimize your performance on the truck. So when it comes to exterior design, what I would highlight is a very good combination of aesthetics, but also aerodynamics. At Denza, our motto is technology drives elegance, and in this case it's a proof point. The car is beautifully designed, but also has a really important function. So we've got our trademark headlights as well as taillights. So these are iconic Denza elements. As a sport car, we've got very prominent fenders, front and rear, and a waistline that is fluid.
Hi there, my name's Aidan Smith. I'm the sales training manager for BYD and Denza. And today we're at Goodwood Race Circuit for the launch of the Bao 5. A few headline figures for you. So firstly, this is DMO technology that you'll find inside this product here. So a nice off-road architecture, but it's actually the first longitudinal off-road dedicated off-road architecture for the Denza product here. We have 544 PS of power, and that's coming from a few different places. So we have a longitudinal engine setup at the front here and a longitudinal front electric motor setup. At the back, we've then got a second electric motor. Lots of amazing technology there. And then it comes to the inside of this car. Lots of fantastic technology at our fingertips here. This wonderful screen that you can see here, our driver's screen, and a passenger screen that only the front passenger can actually see. Really impressive technologies. We also have our dual smartphone ventilated wireless charging there, keeping your phones nice and cool whilst it charges them, of course. And down here are a nice rugged button setup that we have here, along with a start-stop button and our EV and HEV mode. This is going to be what allows us primarily to control between driving in purely electric mode, which is up to 55 miles of electric range, and then of course a combined setup as well that allows you to drive using engine compatibility.
First of all, it's great to be here in Goodwood. It really does feel like it's starting to become the home of cars and launching cars, which is really exciting. Yeah, I got the chance to drive the Denza Z yesterday on track, and I drove the racing edition and also the Spider. And as you can imagine, I was drawn to the racing edition, and it's 1600 horsepower, which I thought would be impressive on the track, but it's abstractly impressive.